YouTube. They did it again. YouTube is demonetizing videos left and right because they are not advertiser friendly and they break their rules and stuff. And people are saying like they can totally do that, they are a private company. Yes, they are. They can do that. But that doesn't mean that people can't criticize them for it. It's like saying, oh no, all these big companies are destroying rainforest. But they are private companies, so we can't say that it's a bad thing to do. The rules are really vague. YouTube can demonetize or remove a video because if they want to, because the rules are so vague. Let's see. Nudity or sexual content. So every video that talks about sex has someone without a shirt, not allowed in YouTube. If you make a video on your swimming pool or at the beach and you are wearing a swimsuit or swim shorts or something like that, yep, YouTube can demonetize it or take it down. Harmful or dangerous content. So basically every fail video, every video where people do something possibly stupid, every video where if you do it wrong you might hurt yourself, not allowed. Violent or graphic content. So yet again, fail video, those news clips, clips from hockey fights, which are really popular, stuff like that. Not allowed to make any money of it. Inappropriate language. So basically, if I say fuck, shit, bitch, everything, you can lose monetization. One word can lose the monetization. You are not allowed to swear on YouTube anymore if you want to make money. Promotion of drugs or regulated substances. So videos where people talk about drugs, but also apparently those that talk about how bad they are. We video that features alcohol or drinking or mentioning of it. Everything offensive or controversial or hateful. So here's the thing about that. Hateful, okay, you could be Nazi or just kill all people or stuff like that. You can't hate, like, be hateful. That's good as long as it's not too sensitive. Some controversial things aren't that hurtful to talk about. No one's gonna go after me if I say that you should not be allowed to put pineapple on a pizza. So, that there's anything offensive. What is offensive? Because offense is never given, it's always taken. You cannot know what offends someone. Look at all your favorite YouTubers. They have offended some people. They have gotten shit from it. And yeah, if someone says your video is offensive, YouTube can demonetize it or take it down and stuff like that. So here's these rules are so vague that literally everything is not okay. You can do anything, you can say anything, you can pretty much you can just stare at the camera, and that might be offensive to some people. If the rules are so vague that everything is basically not allowed, YouTube is going to die if YouTube enforces these rules, because it affects most the small and medium sized channels and creators. The way that YouTube works, if you don't have the small creators and the medium creators, you aren't gonna have the big creators. PewDiePie is probably not going to be the top channel forever. These big channels, they are going to die someday. And if there isn't new big channels to take their place, nothing is going to happen. It's just going to die. So, if YouTube keeps doing this, YouTube is basically killing their own platform. Because if you are medium-sized creator, and on most pockets of YouTube, like there's lots of these small genres of videos that the big channels are but are considered medium channels overall. If they aren't able to do it as their job, it's not worth of doing it because it takes so much time. If you have a new job, you pretty much have to do it every day, and it takes time. But if you cannot make money out of it, there's no you can't really do it because you have to work too, and you can never get bigger because you can't invest on it. Most of people from YouTube have no choice than to not make videos if they cannot make money of them, or go to some other services like Dailymotion or Yahoo Video. That sounds like a joke, but it is actually a thing, or it was a thing. This was a really bad video, probably more coherent than my videos would normally be, because I think about this for 2 days, so I don't know if you happen to watch it. There's some things down there you can click